Toothpaste versus the microwave. Let's get right into it. And here we go. Already out the tube. This could be dangerous. Kids, please do not try this at home. Do not try this at home. Leave it to me. Sparked. Damn, that scared me. It sparked. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, about to catch fire. This thing's about to catch fire. Look at that. It's sparking. Look at that. Oh shit. Yo, it actually caught fire. The toothpaste caught fire. Oh my gosh, wow. Wow. You know toothpaste can catch fire. The toothpaste can catch fire. Look at that. Whatever ingredients in this, look at that. That sucker actually caught fire. That is unbelievable.
Amazing!
I was not expecting that. Wow, kids, do not try this at home. Toothpaste will catch fire in the microwave. I repeat, toothpaste will catch fire in the microwave. Wow, I hope my microwave's still working. It caught flames. That's unbelievable. Alright, YouTube, subscribe to Mr. Microwave for more videos. Comment below on what else you want me to see put in the microwave. Toothpaste does catch fire in the microwave. Do not attempt this at home. Do not attempt this at home. Wow, it sparked twice and then it caught fire.